Seamless, absolutely seamless. I think you contacted Hometime and we.
Yeah, I think we logged on somehow. We were allocated a person. Um, and, from day one, everything seemed organized quickly, like dates set up for a photo shoot for the property and a draft listing prepared, etc. So we really appreciated that all of that was taken out of our hands, I think, and done professionally by someone else. Yeah.
And we've had the same Hometime manager ever since we began with Hometime, and that's Ween. And she came very quickly. We had an appointment, a meeting with her in the apartment. She came really quickly and assessed it, and we were sold. She was amazing right from the beginning. I was just stunned that that she really took everything out of our hands, organised the photo shoot, organised the website. She just collected everything for us. It was incredible.